Okay, so the top two oils for both topical skin application as well as good for cooking so the first one rated really high overall. Actually, both of them did, but in different categories. So the first one rated high in repairing the skin's barrier. It rated really high for antioxidant, antimicrobial, skin aging, wound healing, and antioxidant, but very low in fighting skin cancer. And this is coconut oil. Now, the types of essential fatty acids in the coconut oil is actually really good if you want to do medium to higher cooking. However, it is not well suited for people who have oily to oily breakout prone skin. If you have dry, mature skin, coconut oil is better suited for your skin, especially products that you are leaving on the skin to help moisturize the skin. The second one rated higher in antioxidant, wound healing, anti-inflammatory, but it didn't rate so high when it came to restoring the barrier repair and antibacterial, and that's olive oil. So if you're using olive oil for cooking and you're doing it for frying, as long as it's medium heat or lower, it's better. And obviously, if you're using extra virgin olive oil cold pressed, that's better for salad dressings and dips and things like that. Okay, this other oil that my client asked about is avocado oil. And you're seeing avocado oil more and more due to the health benefits of cooking, especially when you're cooking in higher heat. Now, avocado oil, when it comes to topical skin application, you don't see it that much in skincare products yet. And one of the reasons is it has been shown to help with antimicrobial as well as wound healing. So definite concrete evidence for wound healing, some possible evidence for antibacterial effect, but all the other categories that most people are interested in, like, skin aging and wound healing and anti-inflammatory and barrier repair, it did not show any concrete evidence as of yet in a lot of these different studies. Now, if you have a family history of skin cancer, I'm going to be doing an upcoming video, so stay tuned for the best oils to help with skin cancer. Not to heal skin cancer, to prevent it, but it's shown evidence that it actually helps prevent skin cancer cells from forming. So if you haven't subscribed yet, we'd love it if you go ahead and subscribe. And if you haven't caught that video on the best oils where you can actually apply it, but not so healthy for your health or your body, then go ahead and catch that video here. Because remember, makeup is an art, skincare is a science.